Alright, well, here we go. This is my end product. If you can see it, I'm going to do it without the light that it had already. You can see I need the heat shield and everything cleaned out. Try to get to everything, every little corner I could possibly get to. I polished out some of this metal. Definitely polished out that thing. It blings like crazy. And it's that battery cover I like. Did everything pretty much. Even the fans in there. Touched them up a bit. Some of the harder spots to get into. Like this part right here. It's pretty hard to get to. I managed to do it. Get in there, do all the walls, everything pretty much. In here, I mean, I've even gone to the extent where the inside here was all black. But she looks pretty good. She's got some life in her. Again, customers gotta be happy. Tell me what you think if you see anything, but it's pretty nice. Alright, thanks. All Shine Detailing, Waterloo, Ontario.